Today, I'm going to show you how you can use TradingView to know the time you're trading in the country, because sometimes you might be trading in your country and the time in your country is different from the time the market opens and the time it closes, and it differs in so many countries. So this is the easiest way you're going to know in order to trade your kind. Sometimes you may be trading the wrong sections. 9 a.m. in America is not 9 a.m. in UK, it's not 9 a.m. in Nigeria, it's not 9 a.m. in Cameroon. So it differs. So the easiest way to know on TradingView is you don't need a wall clock like in the old traders used to put the wall clocks and say this is a time. This is the easiest way you would do it. So you come to your TradingView, you open charts. When you get into charts, you are going to go into your tools, the tools you need to analyze your trades. If you're new on TradingView, I'm going to do a tutorial on how to use TradingView. But this is, you come to this tool here, then you go down, and then you look for a vertical line. You go down. So this particular trend lines, and then, yep, you look for this vertical line. You look for this vertical line, then you add it to your screen. Then you put it on the candle that you are looking at. So you see that this particular candle in the market is 8 a.m. It helps me to know where the market is at. This is 8 a.m. But in my country, it's 9 a.m. in the morning. But in the market, it's showing 8 a.m. So I may be here thinking that the London session is already open because it's 9 a.m. in my country. But in the market, it's still 8 a.m. So this is the easiest way you know the candles you are trading, so that you don't trade the wrong candles at the wrong time. You don't need a wall clock to know the kind. I even use this particular system to know the particular time I was trading, because here it was showing 11 p.m. in the system. It was showing 11 p.m. in the system, but in my country this is 12. This is 12. This is 12 midnight. So, and here it is showing 12 midnight in the system. It's showing 12 midnight in the market, but in my country it's 1 a.m. in the morning. So this system helps me to know that, okay, I will not come to the market and I'm confused that this candle is at what point. So this is how you get to know the time you are trading in your country in the market, so that you don't mix up things. Please don't mix up things. So if I put here, I can see, you can scroll like this and put on any candle and you will know the time. It will even show you the date. You put it on any candle, it will show you the time and the date. It will show you the time and the date. Even on your back testing, you can use this. It will show you the particular time and date that you are trading the candle. So because these are the 1 hour candles. If you put it on the 4 hour candle, it will show you different things. So this is, take note, 1 hour candle. Put it always on the 1 hour candle, not the 15 minute, not the 20 minute, not the 30 minute, not the 1 hour, not the 4 hours, 2 hours. No, it works with the 1 hour candle. So you can see here my time is on a 1 hour candle, and the currency pair that is open here right now is AUD JPY. So thank you, and subscribe and like the video, and watch out for more tips on how to use trading.